Hi guys, so I wanted to jump on here quickly today and just share something which I feel hugely passionate about. Now, many of you who have been following me in my journey over the last 18 years of creating my Face Yoga Expert brand, and also my new journey over the last year and a half of creating and sharing the Soul Purpose Business course bundle, I am massively passionate about the new paradigm way of doing business. So this is about helping people, it's about making a difference, it's about freedom, it's about flexibility, it's about wellness, and it's about health. It's also about abundance in all areas of your life. But something which I really felt called to share with you today is about sales. Now, with the old paradigm way of doing things is about sales being those icky, contrived sales techniques where you're manipulating people into doing everything. I wholeheartedly disagree with that. I actually think sales is service. Now, if you're doing sales from a place from soulful, aligned, loving energy, so a nice little anagram in there, S for soulful, A for aligned, L for loving, E for energy, then what you're doing is you're actually providing a service to people. Now, many women that I talk to, particularly women in wellness, empaths, highly sensitive people, say that they feel really uncomfortable with the concept of selling. And I asked them, do you feel uncomfortable about the concept of service? And of course they say no, because they dedicate their lives to helping and serving other people. And I often say to them, well, you'd be doing people a disservice if you didn't tell them about the products and services you are offering. Because your energy, your values, what you have created, your knowledge and skills that you have are going to make a difference to other people. They're definitely going to make a difference to your soulmate clients. So there are probably hundreds, thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands, maybe millions of people out there who would really gain from knowing what you know. And by holding them back from knowing that, from having that knowledge, from having that way that they can make a difference in their life, you're doing them a disservice. So remember, you're not selling, you're just sharing people about your soul purpose, your why, your mission, and you're offering people a service. And if you can just talk about that service with soulful, aligned, loving energy, then people will want to hear that from you, and it will be for the greatest good of you and your business, but also of them as well. So if you would like to learn more ways that you can increase abundance, money, and everything else in your business with soulful, aligned, loving energy, I am doing a free webinar this coming Tuesday, so the 2nd of May 2023 at 6 p.m. BST. Now, the link to secure your spot for free is in the show notes, so please just have a little look, click that and get your place. It is not to be missed if you're a woman in wellness, or you're someone who wants to bring wellness into your business a little bit more, and you want to know how to make more money but to do this in a way which feels really right for you, then you do not want to miss this. So I look forward to seeing you there on Zoom. Take care. Bye bye.